Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to add company email in Outlook Mobile. So stick around to the end to get all the steps. There are two ways we can do this, and the first option is to go over to settings, then scroll down to where you have passwords and accounts, and then at the bottom you can see add account. Tap on it, and then you're going to look for Outlook. We have Outlook here, tap on it, and it's going to take you to this page where you can add your company email, and then you're going to continue and add in your company password. The steps to follow are pretty easy, and if you're running into any challenge, you can go ahead and contact your company IT department for support. The second option is to locate the Outlook app. Here we have the Outlook app. We're going to open it. Because it's our first time, you can see add account or create account. You're going to tap on add account, and if you have some existing account, you might find the option to continue with that one. But in this case, if you're trying to add your company email in your Outlook mobile, you can tap on skip. And then here again, you can find this page once again, and you can add and follow the steps in the first instance. Add in your email, click on continue, and follow the steps to add your account. As mentioned before, if you're having any issues, you will want to contact your IT department or support on your company. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.